Speaker, I'll be very brief on this. One of the things that I want to appreciate in Atandi's committee is the matter of Kenya Revenue Authority. That indeed in 10 years, Mr. Speaker, we were to have a very good system, but it has been always a challenge of Kenya Revenue to finalize and use a digital system that will strengthen and ensure we have modern systems that are able to collect revenue so that we are able also to look at our projection and understand where the country is going. Mr. Speaker, if you want to have a very good economy, even as we look at the policy statement, let us remember to adjust the focus based on economic conditions that we have. And to have good projections, Mr. Speaker, it should be based on actual past performance. And I think that is one thing also you find for many years we've been crying, even for Treasury. For us to help this House, it is important for us to be moving now in itemizing our budgets. Remember, Mr. Speaker, we've allowed ourselves to now go onto a payment system, a digital payment system. And I thought within that system it would have been very easy for our country to understand how to expand their revenue base. And so even as I look at the report, Mr. Speaker, one of the things that I know many of the people will be looking at education. And I see in education, we've put in, yes, the budgets. We've also put in budgets for the JSS teachers. As much as I know, they are really crying to ensure all of them are taken into permanent and pensionable, but we need to have a discussion with them as we move slowly by slowly to ensure this House gives the promise that they gave. Mr. Speaker, the one thing I would want to, as I finalize, is in the health docket. And I want to plead with the health docket. When I look at SHA, which is very critical and important to us, but there are some areas, Mr. Speaker, if they do not reorganize, for example, children who have autism, to just have their therapies. And now it is important for us to also be frank to Kenyans, that sometimes you find you have a challenge of a patient who has really serious chronic disease. Let us start engaging Kenyans and tell them there is a level where you can pay your share and the rest will be supported, Mr. Speaker. And let us not fear. And I want the SHA people not to fear. It is important to create their awareness because they know very well, if there was no SHA, then it will be even worse. But if you come and tell a family, look, this disease will accumulate 1, 2, 3 million. Just do yourself justice and pay something small on top of what you normally pay, and the rest will be handled by SHA. Why am I saying this, Mr. Speaker? It's because quietly, when they realize they go to hospital and the bill is very high, you find now the patient is being taken in so many circles, but you find the biggest challenge is just a challenge of explaining to the family, and the families will agree. With those few remarks, Mr. Speaker, I beg to support.
Honorable Achi, when you speak about JSS, 44,000 of them, just be strong. I saw you lower your voice. They need to be budgeted for and ask the House to do so.
Yes.
To PNP. Let's hear from, Githinji is not there, so we must now listen to Githinji.